So Steve, we're now here outside one of your two units, the second one which is you've recently taken on. Why has this happened? Because this isn't the first time we've been here, and I want to whet the appetite of our viewers.
No, so Unit 17, which is currently behind us, is part of our expansion programme for the turnkey element, and then phase 3 then for the new product launch that we're having coming through shortly.
When's it going to be? When's it going to be, Steve? Come on, everyone wants to know, and they want to know what it is. Are you going to tell us?
We'll be drip feeding in the next few weeks. We can't give you all the aspects of it, but I'd certainly like to give you 18 reasons why.
Okay, and is it going to be an extensive range of machines? Who's going to be interested in these?
Everybody and anybody, even yourself, Paul. Yeah, it's earth-shattering. It's going to be great. It's going to be great for all.
Earth-shattering news. There you've heard it. I'm outside the Engineering Technology Group. Keep tuned to the channel over the next 4 to 6 weeks because you're going to find out exactly what the Engineering Technology Group have now taken on.